Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play PVZ. It's the Game of the Year edition on Steam, $5. You can go buy it. Today I'm with my new pet bird. Her name is Chicky, and yeah, she might be screaming throughout the video. So just be mindful of that. Remember on my little phone, the thing is working. This is so different. Yeah. And honestly, I think it looks better.
The zombies are coming. Brains.
That's the zombie I remember. Give me more. So yeah, chat. Hi, Chicky. Okay. My mouse is humongous. You want me to play? Do you want to play? Okay, now we out of sunflower. Hey, don't bite me, little Chicky. Got a sunflower. Okay. Ooh, we got lots of zombonis. Sunflower, okay. Sunflowers are extremely important. Try to plant at least 3 of them. Sunflowers you have, the faster you can grow your plants. Nope, I'm gonna put it here. Are you gonna start it? Yes or no? I'm guessing when I put this, it's gonna start. Hello, zombies. I'm waiting. Gonna attack me or not?
Are coming. Brains.
Oh. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can fix this up.
Brains.
Come on. Also, if you guys play Clash Royale, tell me in the comments so I can friend you guys. I'm on the Arena before Dragon's Dawn. Right? You wanna talk to the people? Talk to the people. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if this little sunflower can get it. So, and I'm not gonna put extra. Okay. Chicky's excited. Oh. Oh no. Chicky. Oh, got you. Nope. Cherry bomb. You like the cherry bomb? You wanna eat one? Just say, Chicky, why do you poop? Okay. Chicky, I'm gonna have to move you since you just took a poop all over the floor. Okay, the plate too. Sunflower. Play the game now.
The zombies are coming.
Sorry that she's so close to the thingy. Hey, don't bite my microphone, Chicky. Oh no, oh no.
Brains.
No, I think I'm gonna have to move my microphone. She keeps biting it. Yeah, chat. Oh no, why are you mad at me? Sorry, you can't bite it. You have to eat your own food. Okay? This game got me grinding out pea shooters. Finally, we're defending. There's 7 minutes into the video. We're only on level, season 1, level 3. We are getting clapped. And that's the speedrun. Chicky, why are you climbing? So stinky, Chicky. Also, if you guys want me to play any more games that you guys want me to play, just tell me in the comments, really. I kind of getting bored. I got so many Steam games. My CapCut thingy is ready, so I can make thumbnails. Pea shooters. Come on, kill it, don't fail. Things in my microphone is a toy. She's full on playing with it. It's crazy. Come on, play with this, not my microphone. It's this. Eat it. Oh, Chiquita, we are actually it's not really speedrun, we're just gonna try to see if yeah, okay, so we have to warm up. What happened, Chicky? Okay, we got a lot of zombies, we got guessing my Chicky does not want to think. Why are you so mean to me? I'm your little father. Stop biting me. What did I do to you? Chicky, stop. Guess I'm a true toy now. Give me more sun. I need sun. What are you doing? We got 3 of these thingies defended. I'm gonna put a walnut here. Okay? Okay, that's what I thought. My little bird was strong. She put her wings up. She was like, I'm gonna fly. I used the magic words to make it. Double pea shooter here. Got so much sun rocking in. I'm gonna put another sunflower. We're gonna put another pea shooter right there. Add another sunflower. Now we're gonna save up for the cone up here. While the new sun is got, I'm gonna put that right there. I'm not working about here since it has a walnut. What happened, chicken? Why are you sucking your toes? What are you doing? For some reason, he sucks your toes. I don't know why, but yeah, he does it. Guess we're gonna have to trade that. We're trying to make it perfect. Started playing the drums in the zombie army. They got drop the nuke. Little Blood thinks he can, because of his cone, get to my place and people. Thinks he's stronger. If he isn't. He's like, oh, I'm gonna make it. No. Walnut, you're flat, little bro. Oh, I got a shovel. Greetings, neighbor. I'm trying to read. Greetings, neighbor. The name's Crazy Day, but you can just call me Crazy Day. Listen, I've got a surprise for you. But first, I need you to clear your lawn. Take your shovel and dig up those plants. Have the digging commands. No, I spent so long making these kids. No. Okay, Goody. Now please cross. We're going back. Take why the walnut in your mouth? I'm crazy. Now go bowl me a win. Okay, I guess we're bowling. So we're not going to town on the zombies, and we're clapping their cheeks. Why so strong? Why so strong? Music is W, but damn. Oh, I'm getting a little scared with these people. Give me more walnuts. No, I'm scared. Oh, triple. Give me more. Why did it miss? It's launch the cannon. What in the world? What in the heck? We just had it. Stop hurting me, you zombonis. Give me an explode one. For God's sake, just give me an explosive. They're obviously just had to be the biggest and baddest wave of all of zombies. I can't hold it off. This is an even bigger wave than before. And you're just not giving me explosives. I'm gonna die eventually, yeah. Come on! Push the front line. Chicky, I'm sorry, I'm mad, but I'm good. I'm getting clapped over here. Wait. Oh, wait, I'm cooking. I'm cooking the fried chicken. Let's go! Let's go! Can't really scream. Chicky pooped on my keyboard. How dare you poop on my keyboard? What? Look, little birdie. What? I'm going to clean the poop that you are not getting. No food for a month. Just kidding. Why are you looking at me like that? You know what you did? Now I got chocolate chip all over my. Is this the last level? Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish up since my birdie moved on my keyboard. I'm going to finish. Yeah, okay. Say bye to the people. Well, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'll see you next video. Goodbye.